Halloween is right around the corner, and here's a great idea for your Halloween gathering. What is Thai tea cake? Have you ever had a Thai iced tea? That's the flavor of this cake. And you can't have Thai iced tea without evaporated milk and sweetened condensed milk. Please do use real tea leaves for this cake. Do not use any of that powder mix. You will be greatly disappointed if you use the powder mix. Heat the milk and tea leaves until boiling. And then let it steep for about 20 to 25 minutes. And let's make the batter while we wait for the tea. Whisk this together for about 1 minute. And beat this for 1 to 2 minutes until light and creamy. Then add your egg and beat it for another 2 minutes until light in color. And then strain your tea, and it's perfectly okay if you have some tea leaves in your mixture. Some people actually add tea leaves directly into the cake batter. Sift in half the flour, and pour in half the tea mix, and then just beat it for about 30 seconds. Now sift in the rest of the flour and add the rest of the tea mix and beat it for another 30 seconds. Your batter will be thick, light, and creamy, like this. Pour into a lined pot. Shake gently and tap a few times to distribute the batter evenly. And put a paper towel on top to catch condensation. As a reminder, one bake cycle is about 30 minutes. Mine is 5 minutes in cook status, and then it's going to go into warm status for 25 minutes. That's why I set a 30-minute reminder for me to come back and push that cook button again. And this is after 2 bake cycle, which is 1 hour. And it's not done yet. And here is after 3 bake cycle, which is 1 hour and 30 minutes. Yes, it's done baking. If you plan to decorate it, make sure you cool it completely for about 1 to 2 hours. I love hearing from you, so please comment below, even just to say hi. If you do make any of my recipe, I would love to see them. You can email me, upload it to my rice cooker baking page under the same recipe posting. You can tag me directly or directly message me within any of these social media. I'm going to make a simple Halloween decoration with some powdered sugar on top. I melted chocolate in a little bit of milk and placed it in a Ziploc bag and just cut the corner and used that to make my spider design. Please forgive me for the terrible spider design. I am not an artist, but doesn't this look beautiful? If you enjoyed this video, please like and share my video with everyone you know. And don't miss future recipe by subscribing to my channel and turning on that notification bell. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. I upload new recipes every Saturday. This cake is moist and crumbly, and it tastes like nothing you ever had before. People will be amazed at the flavor, but won't be able to guess what it is. So make it and enjoy your Halloween. This cake is at a medium sweetness level. Please do check out my other videos here and here, or go and binge watch my playlist right here.